Magandang araw, amazing people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a short video about indexing, and I'm currently working for this record, Philippines Marriage Records 1915 to 1987 Part F. So, baka lang may naka-encounter din ng ganitong problem. So, for this record, we have 4 images. Ayan, so let's check first. Okay, so all of them are readable. So, ito yung isa sa mga problem or confusing part about this project. So, as you can see, we have entry 1 of 45 here. So, 4 lang yung images natin, pero 45 yung entries natin dito. So, i-index ko muna yung first record. So, tapos na akong i-index yung first record. So, as you can see, so, sa ibang project, sa indexing, ang ginagawa natin is nini-next lang natin yung entry, right? But this time, hindi siya pwede. Kasi ang lumalabas kapag nag-next entry ka, is nandun ka pa rin sa first page or yung first record. So, ang gagawin natin is yung image mismo yung i-click ninyo sa baba. Okay? Ayan. So, pag-click nyo ng image sa baba, ayan. So, dyan nyo siya pwedeng i-record or i-index. Okay? And then, after that, kapag natapos na siya, hanggang 4th image. Ayan. So, baka na-confuse kayo sa part na to of submitting. So, as you can see, kapag kinlik natin yung parang airplane dito to submit this batch and then click the run quality check, ang lalabas dyan is 3,390 issues remaining. And kung i-accept natin yan isa-isa, ay napakarami yan, right? So, that is time consuming. So, ganito po ang gagawin natin. I-click nyo po yung parang trash can dito sa taas. Ayan, yung trash can. And then, which entries do you want to delete? Ang i-click nyo is all blank entries. Ayan, so, delete all blank entries. Ayan, so kung na-delete nyo na po lahat ng blank entries, ganito na po yung lalabas. So, we have entry 1 of 1 na siya. Hindi na siya 1 of 45. And, sa lahat po ng images, ganun na din. So, dapat entry 1 of 1 na siya. So, now, we can submit this batch. So, click the run quality check at makikita natin na no issues found na. So, submit batch. And then, tapos na siya. So, ganun lang po siya sa pag-delete ng ating blank entry. So, kahit hindi natin i-accept, ang dami nun, di ba? 3,000. So, I hope na nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to and thank you for watching. So, please don't forget to like and subscribe and check my album about family history para sa iba pang family history tutorials and facts. Okay? So, that's it. So, bye-bye!